Oh no.
Excited.
Oh no, you're gonna get attacked.
What are you doing?
He's so psycho.
What are you doing?
It looks like he's
Give
dead.
me a kiss. Give me a kiss.
Come here. You have awkwardly long legs. Come here. Sit. You're being crazy. You're being crazy.
Why?
What are you doing, Georgie?
Can you be gentle with him at least? Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
I volunteer as tribute.
Bailey, did you finish Annalisa's breakfast this morning?
You're adopted. Yeah. You're not mine. You're adopted. Yeah.
He broke the TV! No!
You're taking a bath, and it's final. Do you hear me? You're taking a bath. Let's go. Come on. Go!
So what we have here are some melted crayons.
Hey you, New Year? No tantrums.
Okay, what happened? Look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh.
Do you know the Muffin Man?
The Muffin Man?
The Muffin Man!
Yes, I know the Muffin Man. Who lives on Drury Lane?
Well, she's married to the Muffin Man.
The Muffin Man?
The Muffin Man!
She's married?
Look at you! Roxy! What are you doing? What are you doing?
So I just found out that the world doesn't revolve around me. I am quite shocked and very upset.
Attenzione pickpocket! Attenzione borseggiatrici!
By the time I get back, I can always leave.
Kiss your dog on the head and record their reaction. Are you taking a bath today or no?
Não, olha isso aqui. Ela rasgou a piscina e olha isso aqui. Tu tá de sacanagem, Amora, tá chovendo. Você tá de sacanagem, vou ter que comprar uma piscina agora.
You gonna get it?
So my mom texted me asking if we wanted one of these pools for our dog. She was at Lidl and she found one for $13 and said they retail for $50 off of Amazon. So we're like, yeah, sure, that sounds great. I didn't pay that close attention to the dimensions apparently. Sorry, Turbo.
No, Gina! No, Gina!
Oh, great. Here we go again. Oh, no, 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 no!
Chancho. Oh, Gina.
Almost
I just don't have the energy for this. I am unsubscribing from this drama.
We have to walk. Fly. Fly. We need to fly.
Don't crack it, please.
That's very good.
What are you gonna do with it?
I've never seen her tail do that. Full helicopter.
Say I love you, you can have it. Say it. Say I love you, you can have some. Say it. I love you. Good boy.
they putting in these pop cups?
What did you do? Did you get stuck in the blanket that you shoot a hole in? Oh, goodness. Have you been stuck in there the whole time Mommy's gone? Oh, boy.
Patty cake, baker's man. Bake me.
Let's go see what's outside. Oh, gosh. Oh!
I had a couple Red Bulls. Have you ever had a Red Bull? I never had a Red Bull before, but I had a Red Bull last night. I really like Red Bull.
I see Dada. Who's my boy?
Huh?
What are you doing?
Snack time.
I think I like this life.
Back up. Back up. What the hell?
Good morning, Maggie.
That's you!
Okay.
I'm so sorry I'm late. Traffic was crazy.
Bow. 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 Pa. Pa. No, 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 no.
Bruh.
I don't know how to put this, but I'm kind of a big deal.
Really? The door is open. Look, open door. The door is open. The door is open. Ooh.
How are you?
Can you burp for your birthday? Sit down. Birthday burp. Nice job. I swear to God, if you step on my hair one time, I'm gonna yeet you down that hallway.
Muito agressivo, perigo para as pessoas, principalmente para crianças.
Huh?
Dante. Ven, Dante. Ven. Ven.
Come on. She doesn't want to go. Let's go. No, she doesn't want to go. Let's go.
Ôi, Duyên, khoan quá. Làm đẹp cho ta Duyên.